Affiliate Marketing, a beginner's guide. Affiliate marketing is a powerful online business model that allows you to earn commissions by promoting other companies' products and services. In this video, we'll explore the world of affiliate marketing and provide you with a comprehensive beginner's guide to get started. Affiliate marketing has become increasingly popular in recent years, as it offers a flexible and scalable way to generate passive income. By leveraging the reach and trust of your audience, you can earn a share of the sales generated through your unique affiliate links. Getting started with affiliate marketing. The first step in your affiliate marketing journey is to choose a niche and find the right products or services to promote. Research various affiliate programs such as Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale, and sign up for the ones that align with your audience's interests and needs. Understanding key affiliate marketing terms, such as commission rates, cookie duration, and tracking links, will also be crucial as you navigate the world of affiliate partnerships. Building an affiliate marketing strategy. Crafting valuable content is the foundation of a successful affiliate marketing strategy. Whether it's blog posts, videos, or social media posts, your goal should be to provide your audience with informative and engaging content that naturally incorporates affiliate product recommendations. Optimizing your content for search engines and leveraging various promotional channels, such as email marketing and paid advertising, can help you drive targeted traffic and increase your affiliate earnings. Effective affiliate marketing tactics. Choosing the right affiliate products to promote is crucial for maximizing your earnings. Look for products with high commission rates, strong customer reviews, and a proven track record of sales. Craft compelling product reviews and recommendations that showcase the benefits and features of the products you're promoting. Strategically placing your affiliate links throughout your content and monitoring your performance metrics, such as clicks and conversions, will help you identify and optimize your top-performing strategies. Measuring and optimizing performance. Regularly tracking your key metrics, such as clicks, conversions, and earnings, will allow you to identify your top-performing products and content. Use this data to continuously test and refine your approach, making adjustments to improve your overall affiliate marketing performance. Scaling and growing your affiliate business. As you gain experience and success in affiliate marketing, explore opportunities to diversify your income streams by promoting products in new niches or expanding into different affiliate programs. Automating and outsourcing certain tasks can also help you scale your affiliate business more efficiently. Affiliate marketing offers a fantastic opportunity to generate passive income and achieve financial freedom. By following the steps outlined in this beginner's guide, you'll be well on your way to building a successful affiliate marketing business. So what are you waiting for? Start your affiliate marketing journey today.